For this project, I wanted to build something simple, but magical. A clock powered by a classic quartz movement, and on the front, a sleigh lifting into the night sky. A little Christmas moment, frozen in time. I started in CAD, shaping a minimal clock face, and a silhouette of a sleigh taking off toward the stars. Clean lines, soft curves, enough detail to feel festive, but still elegant enough to hang anywhere. With all parts printed, I assembled the quartz clockwork, fitted the hands, and mounted the sleigh scene carefully in front. The moment everything clicked together, the whole piece came alive. And here it is, a simple design, a classic movement, and a sleigh that flies every single minute. The perfect clock for your Christmas.